happening today. The rebound begins in Kentucky as some healthcare options begin to reopen. In this phase one, Governor Beshear is outlining pretty strict guidelines they must follow. WCPO 9 News reporter KRAEMER joins us live with some of the precautions patients will see as they walk through the doors once again. Good morning, Allie.
Oh, Julie, they are going to be strict and they are going to apply to certain healthcare procedures here and businesses that are going to reopen in northern Kentucky. And those include things like chiropractors, optometrists, outpatient hospital procedures, clinics, and physical therapists, just to name a few that kind of fall into this first phase one category. But it's going to look a lot different if you visit those doctors in the coming days because we've been kind of inside a chiropractor office there at All-Star Chiropractor and Rehab in northern Kentucky. They have 4 locations, and Dr. Bob COPPOLA says that he already has patients scheduled for today across those locations, people that are desperate to get back in. Staff are required to wear surgical masks and gloves, and patients must have at least a cloth mask. The tables have been rearranged in the offices to meet proper social distancing. Appointments are also being staggered to limit the number of people that are inside. Dr. COPPOLA says that medical massage is not yet allowed, so they won't be able to offer that service, but they do expect it to be phased in. He says that they've spent thousands on personal protective equipment and preparing these offices so that people can get the care that they need.
I had Braxton's Cleaning come out and they did a solution. It's like a foggy mist in the entire office, the surfaces, the carpets, the tables, everything, cleaned the carpets and got us prepared. We're taking all the precautions to keep the safety and health of our staff and the patients. We want them to know that there's access to chiropractic care and they shouldn't have to be worried because of the precautions we're taking.
So what about some other medical offices, like going back to the dentist? Well, dentists are allowed to reopen today, but their restrictions are even tighter. So you will see several offices very slow to reopen so that they can make sure that they meet those guidelines before they are seeing patients. For now, reporting live, KRAEMER, WCPO 9 News.